We're a lot less hot and humid than what we were just yesterday's 24 hours ago. And if we look at our sky cam, it's just going to be a gorgeous sunset out there. Sun setting behind the Capitol right now, and it's 79 degrees, southwest wind at 7 miles an hour. So we're really starting to see that wind really come out of the south, and that's bringing up our humidity as well as our temperatures. Even though we were only a degree above average today, it felt a lot warmer with that humidity. Dew points are still in the upper 60s, and it's going to be another warm evening. Temperatures still in the upper 70s right now as we're starting to approach the evening hours. Boswell still out there at 81 degrees. Platteville, you're at 77. Right here in Middleton and Madison, both at 79. So we're seeing those upper 70s and low 80s throughout much of the area. But we are a lot cooler than we were just yesterday at this time. 7 to 6 degrees, mineral point 4 degrees cooler than what we were at this time just 24 hours ago. Dew points, they're still up there. Anywhere from the upper 60s to even 70 degrees in Platteville. Monroe's at 68, 69 both in Reedsburg and Lone Rock, so it's feeling quite a bit muggy still this evening, and those dew points are going to continue to stay high and even increase as we move throughout the day tomorrow. We're in upper 60s for the overnight hours, and then as we move through the day tomorrow, 70, 71 will be topping out for dew points right here in Madison. But notice how we start to decrease our humidity, 67 and 65 for dew points tomorrow evening. And that all has to do with the passage of one of our cold fronts that we have moving through the area. This first cold front that moves through doesn't have any showers or storms associated with it, but the one that trails that one, we're going to stop this right here at 6 p.m. on Wednesday. The Futurecast showing a large line of showers and storms from Iowa into southern Wisconsin. And once that cold front then passes us, we can start to see that we're starting to really clear out here, not very much in the way of clouds or storms or anything of that nature. We do have that high pressure system building out here in the Dakotas and in northwestern Nebraska, and that will make temperatures as well as humidity drop quite a bit, and it's going to be very noticeable, a lot more comfortable later on. Futurecast now, we'll zoom in here, show you what we're expecting for showers and storms. This is Wednesday at 12:30. Notice we have a small complex of storms in the northern part of our viewing area. Those storms are going to move through, and the second line, this is the one that we really are going to be tracking throughout the day. This is the one that's going to bring the chance for some severe weather. This is at 6 p.m., that long line of showers and storms through much of southern Wisconsin and our viewing area. And with these storms, again, some of these could be severe. The Storm Prediction Center has put us into a slight risk for severe weather across almost the entire state of Wisconsin. Just the northwest corner is the exception of that. A marginal risk up there, but the severe threats appear to be damaging wind and large hail. Hail could be as large as 1 to 2 inches in diameter tomorrow. And although we don't have it checked, tornadoes, chance for an isolated tornado or two are possible, especially when those storms are more discrete. Once they turn into the line, the damaging winds, that's what becomes the threat. But this evening, it's going to be an all right evening, not as warm and muggy as we saw yesterday. 80s for this evening, partly sunny. Tonight, again, another night to keep the air conditioner on. 70 degrees for a low, partly cloudy, still pretty muggy. Tomorrow, it's going to be a hot and humid day, 87, some scattered showers and storms throughout the day, and that could actually affect concerts on the square. It's going to be a warm and muggy time if you're going to be heading out to the Capitol to listen to some music, but we also are tracking those showers and storms. Still unsure on the timing. Models are bringing it through earlier depending on which model we are looking at. Some computer models bring it through early in the afternoon, drying us out in time for concerts at the square. So make sure you tune in tomorrow morning. We'll have a little bit more accurate update for you later on in the morning. And then Thursday, looking great. 80 degrees, partly sunny, a lot less hot and a lot less humid. Thursday as well as Friday now as we start to get into our extended forecast. Friday's looking just great, 77 and mostly sunny. And then the beginning of your weekend, Saturday, look at that, mostly sunny and 80 degrees. Showers do return on Sunday, however, doesn't appear to be a washout by any means. So don't cancel any plans that you may have for Sunday, especially in the afternoon. Just a few scattered showers or storms. But then the humidity as well as showers return again on Monday. A few showers and storms before getting really hot and humid again on Tuesday. That's your forecast. I'm 27 Storm Track meteorologist Cody Carlin.